Diane Dobson, current CEO of the Renton Chamber of Commerce. Really excited to talk to you again about things that are happening at the Chamber or have happened with the Chamber. We had a really successful chocolate crawl in downtown Renton this last month in January. We had over 220 participants who visited 20 brick and mortar stops and were able to sample chocolates, both savory and sweet, from 22 different chocolate vendors. And the only complaint we had was there was too much chocolate. One of our most favorite things to do at the Chamber is ribbon cuttings. It's celebrating a new business, whether it be new to Renton or a new location. And we have 4 of them coming up in the month of February. On February 10th, we'll be joining Happy Tales Veterinary Clinic in the Benson area. They will have a Dick's food truck, a DJ, lots of prize and games. They will also have free pet screening with low-cost immunizations. We have Joy Adult Family Home, which is an adult daycare. Sometimes as people get older, they need things to do to keep them busy throughout the day. And we will be celebrating their new location on February 13th, and they are located in the IKEA Business District. On February 23rd, we will be celebrating the newest location for Evergreen Market, that is in the Renton Highlands. They are taking over a previous site and expanding their branding to this 3rd location. And then our 4th ribbon cutting of the month is out Maple Valley Highway at Mexicuban. This is a fantastic restaurant. We've been able to experience their food truck for years, but the restaurant is opening a brick and mortar, and it is a fusion of Mexican-Cuban fusion. And we will be joined that day with Papa Bueno's Tequila. A lot of people come to our Rent and Need events know Colt from Papa Bueno's, and he will be doing the complimentary tequila tastings. So join us on February 24th at Mexicuban. I think it's at 3 o'clock. So our events, some of the events that we have to look forward to are big events that are coming up. On March 23rd, we have our annual Spring Fling Gala and Silent Auction. It will be hosted by Rosie Rourke and G. Scott. Great event, annual event. On April 16th, we have our Ahead of the Class, which is the Academy Awards for teachers in the Renton area. April 27th, we have our home show, so save the date for that event. That will be held at the Renton Pavilion and Event Center and featuring about 50 different local contractors for all your home improvement needs. And then May 15th, of course, a culmination and celebration of businesses in collaboration with the Renton Reporter for the Best of Rent. So in every month, the Renton Chamber collaborates with one of our business partners to host an after-hours business networking opportunity. In the month of February, it will be held February 15th at the new Cancer Center at the Valley Medical Center campus located on Talbot Hill. Each month, the Renton Chamber spotlights one of our members with a business spotlight. And the month of February, we are featuring Cugini Florists. The Cugini Florist is located in the heart of downtown Renton, one of the oldest long-standing businesses that we have in Renton. They have a beautiful gift shop with the most unique and eclectic items and, of course, flowers. And in the month of February, we felt it was really special and a great opportunity to highlight Cugini Florists. So ballots are out for the local election here in Renton, and that is on Initiative 2302. You should have received your ballots, or you can, if you're not registered to vote, you can go to the election office up until the day of the election to register and cast your vote. It is a really important election this time that will have great impact upon our business community. So I urge you to learn about the initiative. It is far more than just the minimum wage as being presented. There are a lot of regulatory compliances that will impact our small and mid-sized businesses in particular. So I encourage you to do your research and to get your ballot in and vote. And then, as always, you can find more information on the events that we've spoken of or the initiatives we've spoken about on our website at gorenton.com, or reach out to the Chamber any day during the week, and we are happy to answer your questions.